Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Unk the Trader. I do appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, this video is pretty much going to be about a recap of the week. I traded Friday, and then also traded on Thursday. So basically, I want to just kind of go over what I did in a nutshell. But I tell you one thing: every week teaches you something, new, and this time it's no different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go off the screen because, again, I haven't figured out why I can't record with the video. But in any event, I'm going to go off screen and I'm going to bring up the Weeble. All right, so just hang in there with me while I go off screen and bring up Weeble, and we're going to go over some of the stuff for the week. Okay, deactivate that. Hopefully I'll be able to get this fixed, but I know you don't want to see my ugly face anyway, so. Sorry for the delay, but all right, hold on. Okay, why is that not pulling up? Hold on. Let's try this again. Here. Alright guys, I'm having a time with this today. Okay, let's see. Alright, there we go. Looking good. Alright, so my full week. Alright, so as we take a look here, I did a total of 7 trades. The total win rate is only 42%. Well, 43 if you round it up. I had 3 winners and 4 losers. I started the week out with the losses. I don't know if you recall. We had a couple of them that didn't do well. It was, just to kind of touch on, it was OCG. It was CNCK, and then there's also TDIC. If I remember, those are the ones that didn't do well. And then I came back on Tuesday and I did 1, which obviously I only made 1 cent. And then let's see here. Then Wednesday I made 6 cents. Okay, and then Thursday I made 9 cents. No, actually I made more than 9 cents. What I noticed is that if you notice here, there's a fee. That fee on sells, it goes to the SEC. For what reason they do that, I'm not sure. So I really made 13 cents on this trade, but it netted me only 9 cents. Okay, now the big thing is HCWB. This was Friday's trade. Now, as you see, it's a loss. And I don't necessarily feel bad about that particular one because that was a trade. There was really nothing that I saw that had momentum. So I wasn't in my office. So I had to basically take a look and try to do the trade with my cell phone because I have the app. I downloaded the app. So I didn't know what I was doing, but I tried it anyway. And so I got into the stock, obviously anticipating an upside. And the stock turned around on me, and I couldn't figure out how to sell it. So it went down. Well, I ended up losing actually 14 cents. And then 2 cents going to the SEC. So my net was 12. So that is my whole week. So again, the reality is if I didn't do that one with my cell phone, my app, I would have been at 50%. So 50% is not a bad thing for a beginner. But again, I need to just continue to work the process. And I know it's going to be boring because, again, I'm not trying to, buy everything that's going to the moon. I'm trying to be strategic. And again, like I said, the term is called momentum pullback. So again, when the stock is moving, you want to buy it when it pulls back. And then you want to jump on board essentially because the volume and everything is going well. That's typically what that is called, and that is currently what that's my philosophy, and that's the trading mechanism that I'm using. Okay, so when there are days when there's nothing going on, and the challenge for me is to be patient because I can't sit at my little trading desk all day because I do work like most people. So I do it in between. So that's also a challenge. But right now, again, I think I'm reasonable in what I'm getting. But again, it could be better. And I gotta also, one thing you gotta try to get yourself to get used to is maybe not trading every day, and that's also a challenge. So again, that's what took place this week. Hopefully you learned something this week because I know I learned something, and so I would like you guys, if you can, leave a comment. Anything that you might want to see in my journey. Just kind of reach out to me because again, I don't want to do this in a vacuum. I like a little feedback. All right. So, as I always say, I'm definitely trying to, not talk about it. I'm trying to be about it. All right. I will see you guys again on my next video. Have a good one.